orders are rolling in, your FeedbackWhiz campaign are set up, but the email, they're just not sending. Don't worry, you're not alone. This is one of the most common issues sellers face in FeedbackWhiz. Whether you're deep into using FeedbackWhiz and stuck on this exact problem, or you're just getting started and want to avoid it altogether, this video will save you time and stress. I'm Adinda, the Customer Education Specialist here in Trico. If you just landed on this video or channel, welcome. This playlist is all about solving the most common pain points with the Seller 365 tools. So if you're sourcing, listing, repricing, or managing your accounting and ever feel stuck, check the playlist and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a fix. Okay, if your FeedbackWhiz email aren't sending, it's not a big problem. It's usually because of two things: something in your setup or something external getting in the way. Let's break it down so you can get things working again. Let's start with internal setup. These are issues that are likely within your control, things inside FeedbackWhiz that you can easily check and also fix. First thing to check is your campaign active. This is a simple one but often overlooked. You can set up the perfect campaign, but if you forget to hit activate, nothing will go out. It's like building a store and never unlocking the door. You've done the work, but no one's getting in. Next, let's take a look at your filters. Are your filters too narrow? If you're filtering by specific ASIN or just FBA orders, you could be excluding real customers. This means missed chances for feedback and reviews. So I would recommend to double check that your filters are broad enough to capture all the relevant orders. And one last thing here, make sure your sending email is approved by Amazon. If your email isn't approved, those emails won't go anywhere. And those are factors within FeedbackWhiz. So now let's take a look about external issues. Things outside FeedbackWhiz that keep blocking your messages. Let's go over what to check. First up, your email template. If you customize your template, that could be where things are getting stuck. Amazon has a pretty strict rules about what's allowed in your bio messages. Stuff like emojis, broken HTML, or certain words can cause the email to be blocked before it even sent. To stay on the safe side, you need to make sure the templates follow Amazon email policy, meaning that it's clean, simple, and also compliant. If you're a beginner, we recommend to use our pre-built template. It's easy and also to avoid any error. Next, the language settings. This one is simple, but also trips people a lot. If a customer preferred language doesn't match any of your templates, FeedbackWhiz will hold the message back. Amazon wants buyers to get messages in their chosen language, and that's fair enough, right? So make sure you've set up the template for all regions you are selling in. Also, watch out for multiple campaigns hitting the same order. If you've got 2 or more campaigns trying to send messages for the same order, Amazon won't let that happen. Only one message per order for certain types of communications. So it's a good idea to double check your campaign setup and make sure there is no overlap. Then there's also buyer opt-outs. Some buyers choose not to receive messages, and FeedbackWhiz respect that. If someone opted out, no email will be sent to them, even if your campaign is set up perfectly. So if you're missing emails, check if the customer has opted out of the messages. And finally, your Amazon account setting. If you don't see your email showing up under Send Messages in the Seller Central, there might be an issue within how your account is set up. Sometimes Amazon won't process email correctly if certain permission or setting are off. It's worth logging in and making sure everything connected and enabled the way it should be. Now we've covered 2 main factors, what's happening inside FeedbackWhiz and also the external factors that might be interfering. If everything checks out and your emails still aren't sending, don't worry. Reach out to FeedbackWhiz support@feedbackwhiz.com, and you can also leave a comment below if you have any question. One last thing that I want to say here is that once your campaigns are up and running, take it a step further. Test different templates, timing, and messaging to boost your result. Try testing different subject lines and personalizing messages for each customer segment. It's a small tweak, big impact on open rates and feedback. That kind of simple fix can go along the way. And for more tips like this, don't forget to check on our How to Fix It series. Thank you for watching and happy selling!